Let's do referencing values again, using the Trainee Tracker. Here's the Trainee Tracker. Here is the Trainee Info tab. This tab references values in the connected Google form. The reference says Trainee Info Form. Trainees enter their details themselves in a connected form. This is outside the scope of this video. To learn more about this, complete the Setting Up a Trainee Tracker lesson. This is column B. This is row 2 in column B. The address of this data is B2. Column B, row 2. Here is the referenced value, Trainee Info Form B2. Let's break it down. Trainee Info Form. That is the name of the tab. B. That is the name of the column. 2. That is the name of the row. The reference is an address. It's where the data is located. Trainee Info Form B2. Whatever is in that location will be shown here. Whoop! I changed it. The change is mirrored here. That's your quick hit on referencing values in the Trainee Tracker. You're done.